Yeah. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, we'd like to start with the conference call with the technical view. As of now, yesterday we have seen that the Nifty has faced a selling pressure from the higher levels on the Bank Nifty also. Now, looking towards the Asian markets, our Nifty is likely to open with a gap down opening, and this fall is likely to be extended towards 17,700 levels. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty has faced a selling pressure from 17,900 levels and managed to close nearby 70,820, which gives us some sort of a cautious sign. The immediate support is placed at 17,770. Any move below that level on the closing basis will extend this fall towards 17,700 to 17,600 levels. So the view will remain a cautious as Nifty is trading below all the important resistance levels. So on the flip side, higher level as of now, the resistance is placed at 17,900. Any more about that level only will see some pullback rally towards 18,000 psychological level. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, 40,500 is will be the immediate support level. Any move below that level will extend the fall towards 40,280 to 40,000 levels. On the flip side, 41,000 will be the first resistance level. Any move about that level will witness some sort of a pullback rally that could be a short lived towards 41,000 to 40 to 41,300 levels. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 18,370, 18,460 are the resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. On the flip side, support is placed at 18,230, 18,170 levels. So that's it from my end. I request Delway to team to take call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. See, on the derivative front, as yesterday I said, 18,000 call has the highest call base now, and you're seeing liquidation at 18,000 put strike. Looking at the overall open interest, definitely it seems like, it's a not a very good sign. 17,500, 17,600. Just a second. Yeah, and 17,700 strikes are seeing open interest built up in put side, which means the base is shifting lower to 17,500. Now that is holding the highest put base for puts. That's a negative. And looking at that, we had also initiated a short position, a put call, a put recommendation for Nifty yesterday as BTST. So we did figure out, some more selling was in place. The upper band for Nifty has been hit at 18,000 odd. Now there is a chance that lower band can be hit around 17,600, 17,500 odd levels. So brace for that. We might see some good support buying from those levels, but let those levels come in first. The overall data overall is mixed. The VIX has increased above 11 from 11. It has come to 14 levels now. It has been increasing in the past few days, so that's a negative. Uh, so yeah, look out for the same. And from the stock specific front, most of the stocks did witness good buying in the last few days, but now they are seeing selling. Majorly, IT sector is seeing has seen a lot of short built up in the last 1 hour yesterday. So there is likely to be further selling in IT. The likes of Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, they might see some selling in the first few hours of today, and a couple of days from now you will see them again consolidating, but yeah, some selling will come in, so look out for the same. That's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. The institutional team recently hosted management of HDFC Limited. The management said that business environment continues to remain healthy, driven by both retail and wholesale segments. On the margin front, management said that it has largely bottomed out, and as the league lag effect of the rate hikes is over, and expects margins to normalize going forward. We continue to remain positive on HDFC on the back of its stable market share in a growing housing finance industry, and also its ability to deliver 2% plus ROA on a continuous basis. So we are positive on HDFC. Mahindra and Mahindra has entered into an asset transfer agreement for certain assets related to four-wheeler passenger electric vehicles with Mahindra Electric Automobile Limited. So this particular entity would be incorporated as a subsidiary, and M&M and British International Investment PLC both have agreed to invest up to 1,925 crores each in Mahindra Electric Automobile in two tranches, which would be completed in, going ahead. Net net, this is positive development. We have seen other auto OEMs also, separately investing in their electric vehicle subsidiaries. So this will be taken positively by the markets. Thank you.
Good morning. Elentas Bake India Limited has posted result. The result has improved. The company operates in two major segments: electrical insulations and engineering and electronic resins and materials. The overall revenue grew by 13.1% YOY and 7.7% QOQ at rupees 165 crore. The margins have improved at 18% versus 14.9% in the corresponding period previous year. The stock is trading at a PE of 42.4 times to TTM EPS. The Sapphire Foods India will increase its shareholding in Gamma Island Food, which operates Pizza Hut and KFC restaurants in Maldives, from the current 51% to 75%. Mirza International has informed exchanges about the NCLT approval for the amalgamation of RTS Fashions Private Limited into Mirza International and the demerger of Red Tape Limited on a going concern basis. So this is positive. Thank you.
Good morning. Bharat Electronics, the state-owned defense company, has signed an MOU with Aeronautical Development Agency (DRDO) for an advanced medium combat aircraft program. The program is a fifth-generation multi-role all-weather fighter aircraft designed with high survivability and stealth capability. This is positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, we need to watch today the minutes of the meeting of both RBI and Fed will be coming out today, and that can influence the market as the expectations post last inflation figure has increased that interest rate will be increased in higher than what market was expecting earlier, and we are seeing some corrections on that account also. So need to be watched that what the Fed says in the minutes and also RBI in their minutes, which will be coming out today. Now I'll request commodity team to take up.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. In today's session, gold and silver are likely to trade in a range movement, but though we recommend that as long as gold is holding above 56,900, one can initiate a buy and maintain a stop loss of 55,800. On upper end, 56,350, 400 seems to be a resistance area whereby one can take profits. Silver also 66,600 to 6,700, 67,000 is a resistance area. So prices are expected to test that levels, and one can take profit and maintain a stop loss of 65, 300. Crude oil prices, we are witnessing some resistance area at 64.50. So one can initiate a sell around 6,400 and maintain a stop loss of 64.70. On lower end, 6,300 seems to be the area whereby again traders can buy for a pullback and maintain a stop loss of 62.50. Natural gas a pullback is expected. So all in all, looks like a range from 170 to 200, but it is expected to test the resistance zone at 195 to 200 levels. So just for a pullback, one can buy with a stop loss of 168. Copper, the positive momentum is continued, and we recommend to buy the March contract around 783 and maintain a stop loss of 778. On higher end, 790 seems to be the possible targets. Zinc also buying is recommended in the March contract at 274 and maintain a stop loss of 272. On higher end, 278, 280 seems to be the targets. In USDINR, we are witnessing a range bound movement. So all in all, 83 to 83.10 on the higher end, and 82 to 82.60 is at a lower end supportive. So one can trade within this range or wait for a breakout, either ways. Yeah, that's it from us. Thank you very much.